Hi, Micah Woods here. I'm at Taketomi Island in Japan, going for a walk along the seashore. And this is a very rocky coast here, and I've come across some grass. Let's come up and take a closer look. I think it's Zoysia, and yes, it is. This will either be a Zoysia matrella or Zoysia pacifica, and we might think that we would find seashore paspalum in this type of seaside environment, but I would say this rocky soil doesn't really hold enough moisture. But the Zoysia can actually tolerate this. If we look closer and see what type of soil this is growing in, it's just a bit of sand and rocks. And if let's pull out a piece of grass and take a closer look at this, and we can see it's really a very fine bladed species. It's kind of like a fine fescue actually, and we won't find seashore paspalum in this type of environment because seashore paspalum requires much more water. So seashore paspalum is type of swamps, but in this type of seaside environment that's very dry, that doesn't hold a lot of moisture, then we can find seashore Zoysia. And I've been walking along this coast all the way from this beach down at the other side, and I found lots and lots of Zoysia, but I haven't found seashore paspalum. So it's really interesting to look at what type of grasses grow in this kind of environment and think of how that may relate to turf grass in a managed type of turf grass environment.